Hello guys, so I'm back with another video, and this time we'll be unboxing Mi Band 6. So as far as the unboxing is concerned, it is pretty much straightforward. You get the band, and here's the band, Mi Band 6. It's a new band that has come out in 2021. So these are the screen size. It has got a better and bigger screen size than Mi Band 5 as compared to Mi Band 4 and 5. Of course, it has bigger screen. As you can see, it has AMOLED screen which is 1.56 inch and has 450 nits of brightness, so that's a lot. So moving on to the specs of this band. So immediately you can see that it comes in a lot of colors, very nice and vibrant colors. So it is much more inclined towards fitness fanatic. And as always, Mi Band 6 has AMOLED display, which is able to produce 326 ppi, which is a very sharp display. And this year's version also contains SpO2 sensors, so basically now you can easily check your blood oxygen levels, and which can help you decide whether you're doing good and are you sleeping better. So SpO2 sensor comes in handy for such situations, so it's a welcome addition. So as far as the price is concerned, it is 45 euros or around $60, 55 to $60. And as you can see, for this band you get almost 14 days of battery timing. That is quite good, and it is 5 ATM waterproof also. So in all, it's a good package to have in 2021. So here's the complete list of Mi Band 6 specs. So as you can see, it has a much more bigger display size, more brightness, more RAM and ROM, more water resistance up to 5 ATM, 125 mAh of battery that can give you roughly 14 days of backup. Then you have Bluetooth 5 connectivity, accelerometer, gyroscope, PPG sensor for your heart rate, and of course SpO2 sensor. So the band has bigger display, and it has this SpO2 sensor and heart rate sensor, and you can also use that magnetic latch charging cable. Let's see how we can use it to measure our blood oxygen level. So this is how it looks like. You can check your heartbeat and of course the SpO2 sensor reading. In all, I like the specs, and the screen size has gone up, and SpO2 sensor is a welcome addition, but I think this isn't a very big update. Only the screen size has been updated, and SpO2 sensor has been added. Other than that, all the functions are same. I think they should have added some more features. So that's it guys, hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Bye bye.